So guys, today what I have with me is a buffet chicken cutlets, and the MRP are the same as ₹50. You can see the buffet branding right here. And today we are going to cook them. So before you cook them, you have to keep them out of the freezer for at least an hour or so that they get thawed and come to room temperature and are not frozen. Now I'm going to cut open this packet and show you all how the cutlet looks inside. So inside this pack you get two chicken cutlets like this. You can see this medium sized chicken cutlets, and you get a quantity 2 in it. There's nothing more in it. So it says ready in minutes, more meat, less crumb, juicy chicken, crispy bite, no artificial flavors or colors, and keep frozen at minus 18 degrees. Fry from frozen mild chicken. And the ingredients are given. Chicken is 31% of it is chicken meat. Now let's quickly add in some oil to fry the cutlet. I'm going to add little oil to the pan. I'm going to spread it out, and then we are going to place our cutlets on the pan and cook them on medium heat. So now we have kept the cutlets for cooking. You can see it. Looks nice. The cutlet looks nice and firm. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you all the ingredients that go into it. So 31% of it is chicken meat. There is onion, breadcrumbs are 13%. Breadcrumbs are made of refined wheat flour, dextrose, iodine salt, yeast, and spices and condiments. This cutlet also contains soya, pre-dushed, which is again refined wheat flour, iodine salt, dextrose, dried yeast. Batter powder, refined wheat, batter of the cutlet is made from refined wheat flour, cornstarch, iodized salt, sugar, and thickeners, and also contains refined sunflower oil, iodized salt, curry leaves, ginger, spices, and condiments. Okay, and making instructions are you need to preheat the oil on a high flame, and then add the cutlets to it, and then let them cook until the cutlets turn golden brown. So this is how I'm going to cook them. And the MRP of this product is ₹50 for 2 cutlets, so ₹25 each. The cutlet will cost you. So let's see. So guys, you can see that the cutlet is like now. And let's see. Just flipping them over. You see they are turning nice golden brown. I will let them cook on the other side as well. You can see that the cutlets are not sticking to the pan, which is a good thing. And they have become nice and crispy on the outside. If you want to buy them, I'll left a link in the description below. Or you can purchase them online on Amazon. They are available there, so you can purchase them from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Now the cutlets are almost ready. Just gonna let them cook on one more on the other side as well, and then we are going to enjoy them.